In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Trello board. 5 minutes. Copying a Trello board is a quick way to reuse a setup you love, whether it's a project template, a content calendar, or a workflow you want to roll out to another team. Let's walk through it together. First, log into Trello and make sure you're in the right account. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace switcher so you don't create your copy in the wrong place. Next, open the board you want to duplicate. You'll be doing the copy from inside that board. Once you're on the board, look to the top right area. Depending on your layout, you'll either see a Show Menu button or a 3 dots icon near the board title or header. Click that to open the board options. From the menu, choose Copy Board. Trello will open a dialog where you can set up your new board before it's created. Start by giving your new board a clear, unique name. A descriptive title helps prevent confusion later. Consider adding a tag like template, copy, or a date so teammates can tell it apart from the original at a glance. Now choose the destination workspace where the duplicated board should live. You need to be a member of that workspace to create the copy there. If you don't see the workspace you want in the list, you may need to ask an administrator to add you as a member first. You'll also see an option to keep cards. Turn this on if you want every card from the original board to be copied into the new one. This is great when you're preserving tasks, ideas, or a backlog you plan to continue. Turn it off if you just want the structure, lists, labels, and the overall board layout without bringing over existing cards. You can always add fresh cards once the board is created. Set the visibility for your new board. Choose private if it should only be accessible to invited members, workspace if anyone in the workspace should see it, or public if you truly want it open to the web. Be cautious with public boards and avoid putting sensitive information on them. When everything looks good, click Create. Trello will spin up the new board and open it automatically. Take a moment to confirm the lists, labels, and background look right. If you kept cards, scan through them to ensure they're in the expected lists and ready for your team. And that's it. You've copied your Trello board and set it up exactly how you need it.